Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to send and receive wire transfer using Cash App? Here's what you need to know to get it done right. So, first thing first, Cash App doesn't support a traditional wire transfer like from banks using SWIFT or Fedwire. However, you can still send and receive money securely using Cash App Instant Payment System. Receiving money on Cash App, which is alternative to wire in. First step is share your cash tag. So this is your unique username. Like start with a dollar, like dollar and John123. Put your profile tab and then copy your cash tag. Now second step is to provide an alternative info if needed. So you can also give your Cash App link phone number or your email address. Now third step is ask the sender to use Cash App. They should open their Cash App and then tap pay and next enter the amount they like and then your cash tag. And optional, but they can also add note and then tap pay for that. And the fourth step is you will get notified instantly. So money shows in your Cash App balance, so you know it's sent or not. Now, sending money from Cash App, which is alternative to wire out. The first step is open your Cash App. Then tap the dollar or money tab. Then enter the amount. Type how much money you want to send. Third step is tap pay. Enter the recipient's cash tag, phone or mobile number or email number. And lastly, it's optional add a note for reference or memo. And the fifth step is to pay to send instantly. The money goes straight to their Cash App account. And if you want to send to a bank account instance, here's what you need to do. If you need to send funds to a bank like a wire transfer, ask the recipients to link their bank to Cash App and you send the money via Cash App and they transfer it to their bank account. What if you want to receive from a bank? Why you cannot receive wire transfer but you can receive direct deposit like paychecks, tax refund, or government benefits. And here's how to set it up. Go to the money tab or dollar tab, then tap the direct deposit and then copy your routing and account number and lastly provide that to your payroll provider or sender. And here are some important notes for you. It's no SWIFT or IBAN support. It's only work in the US and direct deposit accepted, but international wires are not accepted and can use ACS transfer for the direct funding. And here's my final thoughts. Cash App doesn't offer wire transfer in traditional bank sense, but you can easily send and receive money with the instant payments, direct deposit, and bank transfer, which is simple, fast, and no wire needed. So if this helped to clear your wire transfer question, smash the like button, subscribe for more Cash App tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.